Do 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 do.
Hey, now.
You could build a wall with this.
Get out of my refrigerator, man. You got that camera in there. Quit it! Quit it!
Ching, 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 ching.
Leave it alone!
I can sharpen my teeth.
You're awful people.
Get the dirt.
Don't open it! Don't
I'm afraid to open it because it'll smell.
No, we won't open it.
The spores will kill
The
you.
spores will ruin the scientific experiment of the growth. Look at that. There's orange and green. In respects, that's a separate kind of mold. I think we're all familiar with the common household green mold, but this orange is a brand new thing to me. Maybe it's some kind of peptide bond thing that you only get with
What else is it, big kid?
foul
Let's see what else we got.
bones.
Get out of my refrigerator!
We got a couple of pontoons. No,
There's nothing in them.
there's nothing in them.
See how many are empty.
Well, this is full.
What
This is
about?
cola. Oh, here's something edible.
We're gonna see more interviews.
No, I won't do it.
What was it?
It's a piece of chicken that's actually got meat left on it. But I'm kind of afraid to eat it. It's like the, you know,
It's been in there for 6 months. It's petrified.
they uncover those woolly mammoths after 2,000 years, and they have there's meat on it left. I'm just kind of afraid to eat it.
What else we
That
got?
piece is petrified, I can assure you.
I'm afraid to open the sour cream.
I'll open it.
All right.
No! You crazy fuckers. Stupid son of a bitches, get out.
Ready? Ready for this?
What about?
Oh! It's cultured, all right. It's brown. I'm afraid to smell it. Well, that's about enough of that.
Yeah.
I think we run this in the background as long as we can. It's pretty good though, huh? Here's some ice. Is there ice made yet? No.
Is there anything strange in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is good.
You're fine. I
Let's just put this over here. Maybe that can be disposed of properly in a more sanitary manner.